This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good morning. Let's see what we got. Let's start right away. Trying something new, actually, but I'm not going to start today. I got the 2 Apex Wealth Charts accounts yesterday. It was the last day of their 90% off sale. So I got the 2 Wealth Charts accounts. I'm curious to see how those are going to go. And there's another company also that's, I don't know, nobody talks about it, and they seem to have an incredible special. I got to look today, see where it ends. Maybe it ends today. It's no activation fee, 50% off. That's $47, and it's with that guy Stan. The CEO, what's it called? It's called Funding Futures, I think. And I don't know. I like pretty much all the features they have. I took a look. So $47, no activation fee. That's better than Tech Profit Trader by far. So they have Platform X. They have Tradeovate. So I think I'm going to try them out with Tradeovate. Add them to my arsenal over here. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Just letting you know about those 2 changes, but I won't get that up yet. The Wealth Charts is a platform, not a platform, it's web-based. So it's going to take up space on the computer, on the monitor, so I got to figure out where I'm going to put it. And the markets aren't being nice to me. I have a long position. Wow, look at us at 23,800, eh? Woo-wee. Let's enable the strats. Oh, my mouse is working weird. That's twice already. It did that. Just shot off to the left. That could cause a problem. Is that the battery that's weak? Imagine you want to click the buy the bid, and you actually you do sell the bid because hey, Butterstun's funding futures, yeah. So I'm gonna have 2 new things I'm gonna try. Well, simple with Apex, and well, I don't know. I gotta go look. I think I saw, maybe I was on Facebook yesterday. Fuck off. I have a position. I'll tell you what I'm fucking off of. I have a position along, one of those longer term type positions. And on NQ. And I'm hoping that I got in the limit sell at 846. I took some partials. So I'm only holding a 1 lot now, but fuck it, 846, it would have been a $100 winner. Even more with the partials I took. Now, if I get stopped out, it's going to be a fucking break even. I can move my stop, though. Yeah, so I saw that, yeah, it was funding futures, that's it. And I saw they have a special, but it might have been an old ad, but I was telling my son about it. $47, man. 50% off, really? No activation fee? 50K account. I guess I'm gonna get stopped out. So we'll see. I'm gonna look today later on. I saw a couple of videos from them. I remember the guy. I remember when they started. I loved his attitude. It was like a no-nonsense attitude, that guy. I like people with that personality. Oh, c'est la vie. Instead of making 150, it's a break-even trade. Cocksucker. I'm not stopped out yet. Chip in a chair, right? It's a point away. Chip in a chair. You know that expression from poker? If you have 1 chip and you're still sitting, you could still win the tournament. And to be honest with you, I did it one time. I had, I think, like 10 chips. Or 15 or something. Nothing in a poker tournament. Chip in a chair. I won the tournament. It was pretty spectacular. It was one of my good moments at Poker Stars, or I don't know, Party Poker. Who remembers? A long time ago. I don't play online poker anymore. It got too difficult to win. So, either my skills went down, other players' skills went up, or the conspiracy theory was that they distribute the money fairly so that good players don't always win and the bad players leave. I don't know, whatever it was, I still couldn't win anymore. I was basically a break-even player. Fucking, you wouldn't believe what luck these people would pull out of their ass. Like over and over, and it just got ridiculous. I started to take screenshots. I mean, like 10% probability hands to... I got stopped out. 10% probability hands were winning like 80% of the time, like for months on end. Anyways, didn't make sense. So what do we got? Let's do the standard market review here. We broke the Asia session highs. That is it. We didn't break the Asia session low, so we don't got the 1, 2, 3 set up. We're above previous day's high. Right now, we're above VWAP. I don't know. If I had to do hypo 1 right now, just looking at it, we're going to sweep and go and touch into, we're going to sweep London lows, we're going to sweep the Asia lows, and we're going to go touch, maybe even close the gap, which is quite far away. Actually, how many points is it? 300 points? What the fuck? Yeah, I think it uses the 415 on the daily. Obviously, there was earnings, and then it shot up. I think it was NVIDIA. So that's why I have a different close on the minute. Anyways, gold probably down, up $8, but under the 50. That sucks. Bitcoin up 1,400, still trading in that coil channel. Okay, so that one is out. I got to figure out what I'm going to trade and how. I still have a little bit of time. Bitcoin can be taken short, but I'd like to get a little bit higher. We can maybe try and grab a short and hopefully get a nice run under there, under the black bands. NQ. We need a retrace, so I'd be looking for a retrace and a sell. I'm going to keep plugging away at that. I like it. Connections. I know I have an MFFU account. Where are you? No, still didn't renew. When the fuck does it renew? Or did they cancel it because they made changes? That's interesting. I'll have to go look into that. It should have renewed. Take profit trader. Do I have time? 24. I have 6 minutes. I'm curious. What the hell happened? I mean, it's the 30th. Trading. Musk's Trump apology. How many times have I seen that? These guys. The View off the air? Question mark. You know what that means, right? It means The View's not off the air. Every time they put in a question mark, it's clickbait. That's how I know not to click on the how to click on the There's my funded TV. Wow, everyone's getting a TV. Billing. Let me see my billing. Hey, they owe me an account. July 25th. Oh my God, I think I know what happened. Okay, well, we'll have to figure it out. Markets are opening in, hey, but we can only hope the view is, yeah, I agree. I forgot the name of the girl. Trish Regan, she's the one. I watch her, I don't know, it's not a podcast, her YouTube channel. I like the stuff she covers. I like Benny Johnson too, but my God, she's big on the clickbait titles, you know, and how many times are you going to click on these things? Whoopi finished off the, or what do they like to say? It was in CNN, there was one that she used to put all the time where somebody puts, there's that Democrat girl from the show of the Five. I don't know why I'm telling you guys. Jessica Tarlow, I think that's it. And they keep saying, yeah, she's finished. She's not on the Five. Her career is over. That they keep saying, they keep hitting you with these titles. Now I look to find the question mark. The question mark is there. Okay, so everything is pretty much bearish. I'm going to be looking for a sell trade. Let's get the copier up. Copier gives me stress. Wow, topstep is proving difficult for me lately. It's almost like it's taken over the MFFU. Can't get a winner on it. Trading it very conservative, and I'm just going to get more and more conservative with it. But it's not getting the continuation that... there's the imbalance report. Let's get onto the daily. We got a nice bearish momentum there when we broke VWAP. And like I said, the next stop is 688, 662. If we want to get down to the previous day's close. Sure, we're not going to get there in one fell swoop, but okay, sit on position so we can watch it. Ready to go. $50 seconds. Last but not least, get Bulenox opened. It's true, I wanted to create an ATM, Topstep. That looks good. Top step. Okay, let's trade my P8. We are open in 20 seconds. I got filled.
Order canceled.
Okay, that was the first cool trade. It all worked out fine. Let's try again. It would be nice if I can actually see my chart, right? Let's go. Push lower. Push.
Order canceled.
Keep letting it go. Let's go. Trade it.
Order canceled.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Woo! That's the way I like to see it. Okay. Couple of winners. Hey, OFT, good morning. Sorry, didn't. Wow, look at that. We got to the previous day's high. Wow, we're filling and we're going to fill the gap very fast, too. I said we weren't going to get there right away, but looks like we did, huh? That was a nice run. Let's change accounts. Wow, we're really dumping, eh? What was that, 200 points off the open? I'm not going to chase, but certainly not going to try and catch the bottom either. Although, are we going to bounce right here off the previous day's close, or are we just going to plow right through it? There's the 2-minute opening range. I wouldn't take this trade, even though Omnius would. I think we're going to bounce. That was too much of a move. 760 down to 660. I think we bounce off the previous day's close. Or let's rephrase that. Off the 5 o'clock close. Everybody has a previous day's close different. We're holding here. That was nice. Ooh, it was on the wrong account, but it was nice. Sorry guys, I'm focusing, trying to figure out, see what happens when you trade too many accounts. Trying to figure out which one to trade. And okay, we'll get back onto the main screen here. Oh, there's a top step trade. I'm going to take it for a 3 lot. Wow, I haven't used Platform X in a while. I've forgotten how to use it. Let's hope we break lower.
Order filled.
Really? I filled it way too early. Shit. Not way too early. I missed the dump. I'm short in top step. Off the bounce, off the bands there that you can see on the Renko chart. Bottom what? Bottom left. I had a $50 winner there. But by the time I changed my size to take a partial, it was only an $11 winner. So I got $3 by taking a one lot. Yeah, a whole $3. I guess I can get a coffee. Well, we're not above the bands yet. There we go. We're going lower again. Buy one.
Order filled.
You know what? Fuck off. Buy it. Let me take $60 out. Let's go back into the bands and go back down again. I'll sell again. There we go. We're back in the bands. Watch for the short. There's the short.
Order filled.
Come on, break lower. Get to the previous day's close. I like it.
Order filled.
Order filled. Perfect. That brings me to up 70 on top step. And now we'll watch. Actually, top step triggered an entry. Whoa, there we go. There's some stops being hit, maybe. Is deal me in working? No, deal me in's not working. Let's get that up. Oh, deal me in should be working. Why didn't it work? Deal me in. Did they make a change again? Okay, I'll close it. Some volatility. Wow, look at that. I'm not used to it. You know, it was the last time I saw 23-point range on the 1 minute chart. We'll bounce into the previous day's close. We head lower now.
Order canceled.
Let's go. Break lower, break lower, break lower.
Order
There we go.
canceled.
Push. Push. Come on. Hit some stops there.
Order
There we go. It's
canceled.
good enough. I like it. Wow, it's going good. Going good today. Maybe we'll, let's see if Deal Me In is working. No, Deal Me In's closed. Really? There we go. Okay, it's working. I'm going to take a bit of a break here and get reorganized. Could have gotten a short in Bitcoin. That was not bad. What about gold? Gold long. Should watch a gold long if I can get a bullish candle here, but I'm trying to focus on this guy here. Big profit trader. Let me sell 4 on the bottom. Come on, don't be a 1 candle, seriously. Lower the risk. Put it back to a 2. If it's bearish, I'll sell my 2 again, but if we get above the black bands, which is a possibility, then I'm covering. I'm going to hit close. I'm going to hit reverse. Yeah, reverse. Okay, Ruan. How's it going, Ruan? Good morning, good morning. Well, this could have been a really bad trade, so the fact that I'm a little bit in green here, I'll take it. Tiny bit in green. Not going to complain about it. Although I should deal me in. Okay, consider yourself dealt. Although I should have a 2-lot and just hold it, right? What are we going to do off the previous day's close? We're going to bounce lower. Where's my entry? It's at 58 officially. So let me get a better entry. Come on, take a piece off. Give me a piece off. Give me a piece off. There you go. Now I have no risk on this trade. Maybe tiny, tiny, tiny risk, but let's see. Hopefully we can break lower, get under the bands significantly. $50 ticks. It's more than 10 points. I know that. 40 ticks is 10 points. 50. Come on, let's break lower. Actually, we have to stop out on that bullish momentum candle. That means we should break the US session lows. Should get aggressive on this one. Let's go. Oh, of course. See, markets heard me. Oh, it's getting aggressive. Can't let that work out. It's not even aggressive, though. It's only a 3-lot. But still. Covering it. You know what? That's what happens when you sell into a market that's moving down. At least me, I get faked out. I'm better selling into a market moving up in a downtrend. I don't have a lot of exposure on this trade. 677, we drop. 677, we drop. 677's above us, Joker. I'm confused. You mean we go up to 677, then we drop? Just break a little bit above that. We take out those couple of... am I above? I am above. I have to get out. Okay, so after all that, I'm down $19. And we're above the bands now, so my next trade for a bit of a run is a bullish candle. Maybe not. Maybe not. Let's see what this one does. We may switch our bias again if that bar closes. Watching it closely. Watching it closely. Wow, look at the sideways action though, eh? Right under the previous day's close or the 5 o'clock close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 8th minute candle. 8 minutes now, just 62.42. Crazy volatile open. Lots of excitement, and now we're stuck in an 8-point range. Gold double top 5 minute. Oh, I can't look at gold now. Tempted to get in here, but that would be chasing. That's the move I was expecting, but unfortunately they managed to get price high enough to take me out. It's okay. There'll be plenty of trades. Not every move is mine, right? I'm going for a walk later. I want to have a good day, and I think I already put in my good day. So 135, 134, 133, 87, 48. 2 PAs are up. Joker's laughing. 9 evals. Whoa! Shit, damn. Someone is swinging with, what was that guy's name again? We were talking about him yesterday, the guy from The Walking Dead. Negan or Deegan. OFT swinging with a Negan bat. Well, it's not the greatest entry. I'll take a one lot if we get a bearish candle, but it's a little far. Stop's going to be at about 17 points, and I'm not crazy about that, so I'll take one if I get filled even. There we go. So I saved the point. Stop will be about 16 points. Now I could sell another one and improve my price if we get back down. And then I will sell a two lot if we get a bearish candle. And that's good. That's the perfect entry, I think. Gentle scale in. Oh, no, 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 no. I don't know what happened there, but I got out. That's too funny. That's too funny. Hey, what's with the deal me in? I guess I'm gonna win because it's I think I want to quit, guys. I don't think I want to press my luck. Dealer 76. Wow, I drew one. That was a nice bounce off the bands, I have to say. Nice to be done early. Yeah, I mean, you know what? We're going up north, so I'm short from 797. Motherfucker. That's a heck of a fucking trade. You know what? I had a little bit of a bias. I don't know if you heard in the morning, and that's what was the problem. My bias was wrong. My bias was up. And I was holding a trade in topstep to go up to, I think it was 850, if I'm not mistaken. I was holding it, but I got stopped out. Range, 24 points still. Whoo, what did I miss? What's been in the news that this is happening? Somebody enlighten me? Can't be what came out at 8:30. That barely moved the market. Aha. Hold on. Hold on. Tell me what it is. Who's playing butter stunts is feeling lucky. Yeah, so there's, all joking aside, there's no catalyst for this. It's just markets woke up. People came back from vacation early. Ow, 75.25. There's a 50-point spread in the momentum. Bearish momentum is 50 points higher than... No, people didn't come back from... Pulling bids, is that it? Just the computer program going to work. Yeah, pulling bids, getting price lower, in my opinion. In my opinion, which could be way wrong. Fishing in shorts, dumb people, not, you know, not scalpers, but fishing in dumb retail to take short positions and think this is the ultimate top now. And then we're going to rocket higher again. I mean, just a theory. Who knows? It could be the ultimate top, right? ACH, as they say on Topstep TV, anything can happen. I don't have a crystal ball any more than anybody else does. The only thing I know, besides death and taxes, is that the market makes moves to fish people in. That's a certainty. You just never know which is the fish you in move or which is the real move until the day ends and you look over the charts. So we take our best shot. Hey, the Pat Benatar shot song. Oh, I got a short on Topstep and a long on Ninja Trader. But we're under the previous day's close, so I'm doing great. I have no red anywhere. I'm not taking a trade that's going in different directions. If I were to take one, I would have taken the long. Not because it worked out. But because the Ninja Trader is more sensitive to changes, and I like to, I like the sensitive ones. It changes quicker, and it gives me, I wouldn't say more opportunity, but maybe more trades. I would think that's it. That's probably why it appeals to me. Gives me more setups by flipping sides. Front running my long entry. Well, at 10 o'clock reversal, did it come early at 9:45? Oh, we should shut that. Omnis isn't streaming today. Joker, did you start streaming yet? Let me go look. Probably not because you're here, but you never know. Nutty Bar only has 200 people watching. Wow, it's really gotten quiet on YouTube for people, for streamers. What did I want to go look at? Oh, change Nightbot. We're not going to do that any for today. And streamers. Joker trades. Joker live 1 month ago. Still hasn't started up yet. Joker. Joker. What are you waiting for? Took the L on gold last night. Joker. I think it didn't just have the volume to react properly out the zone. I really think should have gotten out sooner. Ooh, nice long butters. If you did I understand what you said there? I knew it was going to go there. Just got no. Front running my long entry. Okay, so you have a nice long entry at 950. You're up a good amount already. Oh, so I got completely screwed with MFFU. You know, they made all those changes. So I guess I don't know. I don't even know how this makes sense. The account was busted. Kaput, finished. Needed to renew on the 25th. They come up with changes. I think, it looks like, they're telling me now I have $3,000 drawdown instead of, or no, $2,500 drawdown instead of $2,000. So it's like they reactivated my account. Okay, I was down $2,000. Actually, $2,049. Busted. Wait till your next billing period, we'll renew it. They changed it like a couple of days before they're rebilling me to $2,500 drawdown, and they re-enabled my account. They re-lived it. Reanimated it. You know, they clear. So now I only have $500 drawdown, and they charged me. So my account is live with $500 drawdown, and they renewed it. They brought it back to life. Reanimated. That's a good one. A bunch of stupid hustlers. Yeah, tell me about it. If the account is busted and whatever failed, yeah, that's it. If you have the failed, the big red failed on your account, big red failed sign, 3 days before you can't go, oh, back to life, but with only $100 extra because we changed our rules. Yeah, they charge me. I keep checking. When are they going to, when are they going to reopen my account? And I know it was busted because I tried a few times to take trades and I got that administrator only message. So I know for a fact it was busted. And now it's back to life with an extra $400 of drawdown or $450 drawdown. So they changed their plans. They changed the plan to, I guess, give an extra $500 drawdown. Maybe they changed it to trailing. I don't even know. And brought my account back to life. Without telling me. No email. So now I have an account that's pretty well useless, but I paid for it. Anyways, I'll email them later. Not doing the coin flip today, guys. And as you see in the bottom, Bulenox, 91% off. Last day. Get them while they're hot. And it's $15 to find out you still suck at trading. Who comes up with these things? Really? That kind of guy says something like that. Check the general chat. The big sad. Okay, let's take a look at it. I'm not too eager to trade anymore. It's too bad I don't have a screen because it's all going to be... oh my God. There. Look what Ninja does. You invade Ninja space, it disappears. Now I got to click on each one separately to open them back up again. Okay, it's true. I don't show my account data in the morning before I start. Why? Because it's proven to be really, really lucky for me. Or not lucky, maybe just not watching my numbers. Oh, look at the volume, 500,000. Butters, I'm going to get to your thing. I'm just trying to find my OBS. I can put my accounts up. Yeah, I haven't been putting my accounts up until the end of the day, and I think I've been green now almost, I don't know, 3 weeks now, every day. 15 green days in a row. They all kind of look like this, similar. Sometimes less accounts. This is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 accounts today. But I'm also green on Bulenox and I'm green on topstep, so that's 8 accounts green. Check the Discord general. Yeah, I'm getting there. Micro E-mini +2 at 662. Limit. What? Oh, okay. There's your ad. Wow. Look at your ad all the way down at 601, eh? Well done. Yeah. But why ha 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 ha? It should be woo hoo hoo hoo. I like that trade. Give it up for Butters. That's a great trade. Are we still killing it? 691? Yeah, we are. You can come back. There's no laughing there. Would have been... What do you mean if you got in? You are in. I see entries. I see profits. You mean a misunderstanding how trading... I think this is TradingView, right? How TradingView works? You tried to get in at 601. Is that it? You just missed it? And you set in your parameters to get out at... Yeah, okay. I thought the 2 limit was an ad. Just in case it went against you. The 2, where it says 2 plus 206, I thought that was your entry. Yeah, I don't use TradingView. So I thought the 23,652, I thought that was your entry. with the ad at 6:01 and your stop at 5:56. Okay, I get it. Oh, well, okay, now I see why you went ha ha ha. I'm sorry. How do I take back the bells? Okay, hold on. I have an idea. Boom, boom, bow, bow. Oh no. Oh, look, we're back under. What do we got going? We probably got a short ability here now on Ninja and long on topstep. Wonderful. Okay, stay away. My eyeballs get itchy. Does anyone know what that means? Does that mean good luck, bad luck? So yeah, if you guys missed it, I'm going to be having, I'm adding more to my mix. Can you believe it? I can't even manage my Bulenox, topstep, MFFU, take profit trader, and Apex. Should I do option 1 or option 2 for let's get a 25K? I don't know. I would go for the trailing, the one with the trailing. But I love them both. That's a weird sentence. I hate trailing. I think trailing's a scam. But I like trailing better than the end of day drawdown because you have more room. And if you're trading 3 lots, like I'm doing now, 3 lots and 4 lots, the trailing doesn't come into play anymore, especially with the PDLL of like $200 on my accounts now. So I'm good with both. That's the best thing. End of day can really be taken advantage of. If you can build a little bit of a cushion and then you swing with a heavy bat, you can, like, you know, you risk your day's profits, absolutely, in option 1. But I don't even know if option 1 is on sale, actually, to be honest with you. But yeah, I do that with the topstep. I get a buffer and then I swing, and I try to make, instead of making 100, I try to make 500, 600, 700, 800 in a day. Worst case scenario, I'm break even. Yeah. What if you're break even, you swing, you break even, you swing, you break even, and then you lose, you hit your PDLL? Yeah, that could happen. ACH, anything can happen. Let's see if option 1 is available. Trading. Bulenox. Login. Affiliate plans. Option 1, up to 7 contracts, 97%, 97% off. Yeah, Bulenox, option 1, I'm pretty sure. Option 1 is end of day. Wait a minute. No, there's not option 1. Okay, maybe option 2 is end of day. Anyways, I don't know. I gotta go look and I don't feel like it. It's only option 1 at 91% off. I don't even have an option 2 here. It's option 1, option 1, option 1, option 1. 50, 100, 150, 250. No option 2. So it's option 2 that's probably end of day. Let me go try and buy one. I mean, I'm not going to buy one, but where is it? Account sign up. Option 1. Option 1, option 1, option 1. Yeah, option 2 is end of day. Okay, I thought wow, really? Okay. Stupid me. So option 1 is the trailing. What were we talking about? Yeah, it does. It said, oh, no, you're right. I don't even know. Fuck off, Butters. You're going to make me go look again. There was 4 accounts. 50, 100, 150. Trading. You know how much money you're saving me now in losses, probably, on taking losing trades? Topstep went long at 88. 70% chance we go to 95. I'll let you know. I'm not taking it. I want to have a good day with my wife today. I don't want to say I gave back profits. Let's look again. 91% off. You're right. 50, 100, 150, 250. There you go. And I'm not taking it off the screen. So if when you ask the next question, I don't have to remember. It gives me the check mark, but the price stays high. Yeah, no, it's the 50. What would you go for option 1 for? I kind of understand the logic. You get a payout earlier, a little quicker. Yeah, I'd take it back. Option 1 works, but not on sale, so let me check again. Be right back. Woo! Top step trade lost. And if I would have taken a trade over here on the bounce off the bands, it would have lost. Actually, that was Top Step and Ninja having, what do you guys call it, confluence? Both saying the same thing, both giving me an entry, 688, 687, I think 688. We're even at the same fucking price. I missed a loss. No, that's it for me, man. I'm done today. I did good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 520, 550, 620, almost 700 up for the day across my accounts. I'm Canadian, so I get to say that's US. I get to multiply that by, I think, 0.4. That's $980. 1.4 I multiplied by an extra 0.4. I get 0.4 bonus. Trade small, man. I just told my son I want him to use the band system here with the Renkos. And, you know, like, I get it. It's not his system. He didn't come up with it, you know, so he's kind of hesitant. But I told him, do a 1 lot. Or, okay, not in your case, but for him, I told him, do it on market replay. Get your feet wet. You're going to love it. I mean, the moves are insane. Yes, there's losses. You know, but the moves are insane. If you can hold, and he can hold, my boys can hold. They don't have the same problem I have. These guys, they go on a trade, and you know, if they're targeting 200 points, they open their phone, they start playing Clash of Clans or something. They're chatting. They're in the Discord. Market's going up, market's going down, market's going up, market's going down. You still in the trade? Yeah. Yeah. My target's 100 points. Of course I'm in the trade. But they moved their stop to break even after a certain level. But wow, fucking champion holders. Seriously, I could learn from them. We've gotten above previous day's close, 5 o'clock close. That's what I'm calling previous day's close. Because on the daily, actually, did we fill the gap on the daily? On the daily, it shows a completely different number. On the daily, no, we didn't fill the gap. Stupid. Why would they do that? Well, on one close. Only fucking... You really got to have... You really got to be creative to have 2 different closes for the same instrument on your charting platform. Let's go with the word creative. I'm going to be nice. My mom always told me, if you got nothing nice to say, say nothing. We'll call them creative. Yeah, what was the close of NQ last night? I don't know what time frame chart you're using. Oh, really? Does it make a difference? Stupid. I'm going to go with stupid. Sorry. So yeah, I was saying, so with all those accounts that I have, I picked up 2 Apex wealth charts which runs off the web, as far as I understand. I haven't even opened them up yet. I haven't even looked at it. I haven't even looked at my email. I probably even have different logins and stuff. I'm going to check that out. Well, not today, obviously, because I'm going up north. But also yesterday I was on Facebook. I'm learning how to use Facebook. Yes, I'm not on Facebook. And I came across funding futures, which seems to be the exact same copy conform of Take Profit Trader. They have 50% off right now. No activation fee. That's it. Yeah, that's what made him like Take Profit Trader. I was trying to remember. What the fuck was it that I liked about it? 50% off. It's $47. No activation fee on the 50K account. Are you kidding me? And so I looked, went to the firm's website and stuff. There's that guy, Stan. I love this guy. I don't know if you guys have ever checked this guy out. He's cool, man. I love his attitude. I mean, I like Patrick Whelan, so you'll see why. If you go check him out, you'll see why I like Stan. I love the way the guy talks. That's the way people should talk. No bullshit, straight from the hip. Don't worry about what other people think. I always tell that to my kids. You're never going to change anything anyways. There's always going to be a small group of people that don't like you and a small group of people that like you, and then everyone else doesn't know you. The numbers don't change. Change your personality. There's still it's just a different subset of people who don't like you. But still, people won't like you. And people will like you. But this guy's funny. So, yeah, before I go, I'm going to go and maybe go get one of those accounts. It's Tradeovate. They have Tradeovate and they have Platform X. I'd love to do Platform X, but I can't keep opening up too many browsers. And maybe I'm going to switch my Bulenox over to Platform X. So I'm going to do it with Tradeovate, and I'll have my Take Profit Trader, and I'll have them together, and we'll see. We'll compare them. Actually, I'll even copy trade them. I remember when this guy came out a couple of years ago. It was when Apex was having all the bullshit and my funded futures. Was that the company that went bankrupt or closed? He was talking about all the shenanigans in the and then they just faded into the woodwork. Okay, I got a nice short here. 27. Fuck off. Oh, I thought 27 accounts passed. Holy shit, OFT. I got to get you to use my I got to get you to use my codes. Honey will be rich if OFT would use my codes. He said 10 passed. Good job, man. I'm jealous. Well, not jealous, but good job. Never get jealous. I'm not a jealous guy. I have what I have. I do what I do. I do what I can do, and that's it. If you're a jealous person, you're always going to be feeling like crap because there's always someone better than you. There's only one person in the world who's the best. Everybody else has somebody above them. So, testing new companies. Got 8 more accounts. Trying to connect those. Back to trading next week. Good job. Yeah, me too. I'm testing new companies. There's so many of them. I'm thinking, why not, man? Only thing is, I waste. I know I'm the best. I'm wasting my time a little bit because there was another one I was all excited about, just about to call and tell my kid, and then I noticed it's forex. I think I should make sure that they have the word futures in their names. I made so many funny discoveries yesterday. Then I wanted to get on Apex Trader Funding's Facebook group, so I do a search for Apex Trader Funding. Do you know that there's like 200 people who have the name Apex Trader Funding as their Facebook name? Really? Really? Facebook lets 200 people have the same name? How does that make sense to anybody? Shouldn't Apex Trader Funding be the only ones who have that name? Same thing for Bulenox and anything else? Wow, you can just take anybody's name on Facebook. It's a company name. It's not like it's John Wiggins. And there could be multiple John Wiggins. See, that I can get. It's a name. It's a person's name. People have same names, but not a company's name. Good morning. Are you hiring? Are you hiding? Nobody told me. Nobody tells me anything anymore. I don't know why I'm off. Oh, I know why I'm off. Butter stunts. Butter stunts, it's your fault. No, Butter stunts. What did he do? He sent me told me there was an image in big time. Really? Big time? Good morning. Are you winning? Are you hiding? Looks like a long entry. Yeah? Really? No, not for me. Short, short, and short. Short, 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 and short. I could maybe squeeze in no, I can't. Not even there. Couldn't even squeeze it in. Soon. Very close to potentially getting a long entry for me. Long entry for you guys? Seriously? Nope. Often I see it. I don't see it this time. Bounce off the previous day's close, maybe. That's the only thing I could see right here. These levels over here, maybe. I see more of a short. I see more of a short as a bounce off the previous day's high. Omnius, get that? Yeah, my camera was gone because Butterstun sent me an image in Discord, and I don't know, I just put it somewhere on my screen and everything disappeared. That's a wonderful feature of Windows. I may like 635 better for the long. 635, 660. Oh, all the way down there. Okay, yeah, that I can see. That I see as a Joker Butters, Mike Stunts type of trade. A little early though, no? I always figured you guys wait for, let's say, the low to get wicked. You know, like, I would think more 602. Take out the US session lows, get down to the 23,600 level, and then look for the push higher. 10 o'clock reversal. Well, it came early today, eh? Well, you're not on stream. I can't blame you. Hey, OFT, if you're trying out new firms and you see stuff, let me know if you see any good deals. I know I'm the best joke. Of course, no, you're joking. Yeah, if you see any, there's a new company, their connections don't work. Okay, well, no, that's not good. Okay, I just got a short momentum. That's nauseating. Because it's a short right on the previous day's close. There's no way I'm taking that, especially given the fact that I'm having a good day. Have you ever tried, I will let you know, but need to get at least pay up before yeah. I got it. Have you heard of, I keep forgetting their name. I think it's Funding Futures with the guy Stan. The CEO Stan. Curious, anybody have an opinion about them before I go and spend my money? No idea. And did you hear what happened with my MFFU account? It was failed, big red failed sign. If I tried to place a trade. Did you hear the story already? Yeah, failed. The account was failed. Let's say beginning of July. My rebuild date is the 25th. So let's say I failed the account July 14th or the 10th, whatever. It doesn't matter. So big red failed sign on the website. Every time I try to place a trade, Brr, administrator only, in Ninja Trader, you get that thing there. So the account's officially failed. And then I know it renews at the end of the month. So I'm clicking, and it's not appearing. It's still the shitty balance, the balance. So I'm not trying to do a trade anymore. And today I go again and I still have that shitty balance, 40s, whatever. I'm down $2,049 because their limit was $2,000. So I'm down $2,049. This is weird, but it says I was rebilled July 25th. They changed their maximum drawdown to $2,500. So instead of my account being failed, they reanimated my account and gave me, this is before. They reanimated my account, gave me an extra $400 to play with, $450, and brought my account back to life because they changed the rule. So I didn't know that. And then, because I was just checking and seeing a low balance, and I knew that low balance was a failed account, 47,000 whatever, 47,950, let's say. So they made a rule change. They gave a little more drawdown. They reanimated my account, being down $2,000, and now they rebuild me, and I have an account with only $400 drawdown, and I have to make, I have to make $5,000 now. I messaged Kat about funding future. She said she never heard of them, but she will look into them. Joker got more of those while they're running like 40%. Take profit. Oh yeah, take profit. Take profit's 40%. Okay, we're dumping. I'm getting tempted to take a trade. This is where all of you should jump in and say, don't. Wow, you got a reply from Kellyanne? I messaged futures for our future. Methodical Man, Pine Tree, none of them replied to me. I said, wow. Pretty sad that you can't even, what do you call it? Reply to someone. Just for 2 seconds. I mean, it's not like I'm sending an email to Patrick Wheeland and he gets 50,000 a day. I'm sure Pine Tree doesn't get more than 10 a day. Methodical Man, same thing, and even less for futures for our future, whatever. They probably get 10 a week. Do you do have SIM accounts? Yeah, Joker, I do. You don't see them right there? SIM 1, SIM 102. Plus, I created the JK1, JK2, and JK3 to test out the trade copier to run tests on that. If you were talking to me. I get it. Trade those. You're right. Wow. See, my old brain doesn't think. Thank you very much. That'll keep me busy. That'll get the bug out. The urge, the itch to trade. And I can trade larger size. Woohoo! Let's go. Let's use this one here. Okay, I'm going to take a short off the bottom chart when we get a bearish candle. And I can trade 5 lots. I got to get to my take profit trader account though. Why? Oh, yeah, you're right, eh? Start a bad habit. Okay. Ooh, wow. Joker's full of wisdom today. Man, helping me. Joker always helps me. I think everyone's smarter than me. Copy or tester. Which one do I want to use? I'm just full of bad habits. It's like, there we go. 2 lot. Like that little short I put out. I do bad things. I do bad things. No, but you're right. You're 100% right. Once you start doing bad things, it's too easy to, oh, look at that short. It's too easy to get back into it. Okay, I'm going to cancel the stop, not because that's a bad thing, but because it's a different system. The stop was based on topstep. I am doing Over here, I'm using the band, so I can have a stop. I just got to figure out where it is. It would be right there, buy stop for a 2-lot. It should be 17 points, 48 to 65. Yes, it is. That's what I know. If I bounce off the bottom band, it's 17 points. If I do a bounce off the top band or the farther away band, it's a 10-point stop. Stay consistent. Yeah, no, you're right. You're right, Joker. 100%. 100%. Thank you. You're like an accountability partner that's not physically beside me, but still out there for me. You gave me, that's like the third really good piece of advice you gave me. It's really helping me stay on track. I mean, I'm doing well. I'm staying on track well, but it's a couple times now I almost allowed myself to drive off the track, and you kicked my wheels and put me back in the right direction. Hey, I mean, I don't want to toot my own horn. I don't want to jinx myself, but my trading has been stellar lately. And that's what happens, actually. I know that from experience too. When I'm trading really well, I start to want to loosen all my rules. All the rules that got me to where I'm trading great, I want to start removing them and loosening them. Yeah, where's the logic in that, eh? Didn't get my work done. I think I need to delay launch the next month. I will send you a link when things are rolling. Perfect. Nice trade. I like it. Somehow it's not. Oh, it was only a 2-lot. Yeah. Let's see what we can pull out on this. Let me get used to, actually the real entry on this was much higher, but I missed it. That's too bad because it was a second band touch. Would have been at 669. Yeah, I can see why I would have not taken it just above the previous day's close. I didn't notice that right away. I would have maybe given myself a reason not to take it. 100 ticks. I'm up 25 points, 48. 20 bars. That's usually what I go for. 20 bars. That's 200 ticks. Okay. Well, if I had 2 lots, I would take one already, but I already took one. Let's see if I can get 200 ticks. 50 points. Yeah, green streaks. They're dangerous. I come crashing down after a lot of those. I never watched you trade during the morning before. Hey, you're pretty good at it. Yeah, I don't even understand that. You're on stream with me every morning. What are we going to get off Bitcoin? Anything? Nope. Bitcoin has reversed. Gold, we could have gotten a short. But I'm not trading gold. Now, what's the range in gold, actually? 152 on the 1 minute? That's pretty good, $1.52. $2 is better. Omnis, you're missing a day of volatility, actually. Look at the 16-point range, and we were up in the 20s. That was like, for a long time, up until 10 o'clock. Very rare lately. Not very rare, but very rare lately. Long, 625. Well, given that I'm in a sim trade, I hope Joker's, initial balance, sorry about that, that was loud. I hope Joker's trade works well, but I'm going to add here because I have a bounce off the top band or the upper band, and that's usually a very low risk entry. Not usually, it is a low risk entry. I'm already break even. Yeah, rub it in. Are you at the water park? Done for the day. See you, OFD. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. Are you going down a water slide with your cell phone in your hand? Hey, take videos if you're at the water park. I want to play them on the stream next week. Okay, I didn't get filled. I tried for a little bit of a, not even a better price. Oh, look, we're getting back up there. Someone said we're going to the beach. I tried to tell them it's 100. Oh, yeah. Oh, too bad for you. I'll tell you why, too bad for you. Going up north today, we're having beautiful weather. It's like 72 degrees today. And just to let you know, yesterday was like, I think we were pushing 100. So huge change. So I told my wife, fuck it. Let's take advantage of it because it's been so nauseating to go outside with the heat and humidity. I got to expand this. No, that is not an exit, and this is a good entry, and that's what I would normally do to reduce my risk and improve my price. Anything I can do to pull up my price. Not a lot of room left to get stopped out. One more bar. Got my finger on the close button. There we go. We're out. Okay, cool. So let's Yankees. Who are the Yankees? Sister-in-law, brother-in-law, mother-in-law. Family. Okay, let's see what time my wife wants to leave. Like, I'm ready to go already. Go get myself a French vanilla cappuccino for the drive. Have a good day. Smile a little bit. When was the last time you guys saw me smile? What time you want to leave? I'm ready to quit. Long. Let's go for the long. Let's get a 3-lot. Better price. Perfect. I gotta have, I gotta create an ATM for this. Let me get rid of my, so there's topstep. Copier tester. I know what that is, but edit. It's probably 5 points, 5 points. Yep. Cancel. Edit. Save as template. Copier tester. 5 SL. 5. I gotta mark him. SL. 5 TP. How are we doing? We're still falling. I'm watching on another chart. Did I get stopped out of that trade? With the whole 3-lot? Yes, I did. Or a 5? No, 3-lot. Okay. It's getting away from me. Down 160, baby. Love it. Yes. Yeah, I am. And that was with a 3-lot. I didn't even oversize. Okay, you know what? I should use this time to test my trade copier, actually. Still haven't done my... But on the other hand, I don't know. Maybe I'll switch over to wealth charts. We'll see. I mean, if it works better and I don't have to stress, because this trade copier just gives me stress all the time. Like my heartbeat starts to stop 10 points in profit. My heartbeat picks up like 10 beats per minute extra every time I got to use this copier. No joke. I mean, well, maybe that doesn't happen, but I get nervous. I'm not comfortable using it. Too many errors already. Okay, let me see. Let me fix all my ATMs. This one I can remove. This one I can remove. Top step. Edit. What are the values on this? 56. 31. Save as template. Re-entered. 612. Nice entry. Hey, that's fantastic. That's how it should be. Because you know what? When a trade goes, often a trade goes. You know how many times I can't get into a trade because I'm trying to get the perfect, not the perfect, the triggered price, but it just goes. It doesn't even come back to it. Okay, top step. I should have two top steps. This one, remove. Yes. Coin flip. The coin flip I know. I know it's, I'll still edit it to know just to remind myself. But it's 40 for 40. It's 40 by 40. Save as template for the stop loss and the take profit. 40 by 40 stop loss, take profit. Save. Okay. That's the coin flip. Remove the old one. What else do I got? I have one lot. Why would I have a one lot? 30 stop loss, 40 take profit. Okay. That's for Ninja. Ninja 2010. Save. Okay. Oh, you can't do that. Remove. Yes. Save. Save. Okay. Remove. Yes. Okay, after all that, I'll be back in a sec, guys. Okay, I'm back. Let me just set up. There was an entry on the Renko charts. You guys can see it. Short. And it's everything. Top step is all short also. So that's an entry worth taking. Let me see if I can get in. Oh, I didn't even set up the ATM for this yet. Okay, see how I worked on a whole bunch of ATMs. You know what? Let me get the camera back on. Mic is on. Let me get rid of the BRB. Put the accounts back up. Camera. There we go. And make the Renko chart a little smaller. Short confirmation looks good. Our enter short at 670-ish. Wow. High up there. Let me create an ATM. Custom. What are we going to call this? Well, we'll do it later. One lot. Stop loss. What's 17 times 4? 40 at 68 points. No take profit because it's a runner strategy. Although I'll do more than one because I definitely want to take partials and limit my risk. Maybe turn them into break-even trades and then trail. Add. Okay, so what's a good thing? 550. Yeah, minimum 50, eh? That's 5. Yeah, minimum 50. Minimum 50. That's ticks. That's like 12 and a half points. 50. And then stop strategy, edit, stop loss. What did I say I was using? 68. Let's make it 80. $80 is 20 points. That's good. 50. 20. Save as template. What are we calling this? We are going to call this bands. Ninja 2010 bands. Ninja 2010 bands. Put the numbers in. 68 stop loss. 50 TP. Plus trail. Save. Okay, we're ready to go. Not only are we ready to go, we got a setup. Curious to try it for 3 lot. See what it does, even though I set it for 2. You know what? Risk is smaller here. I'll take it. That's not even where the stop would be. Where would the stop be? Stop would be at 30. And drop it down to there. That's where the stop really should be. I know that's an entire long to get there. Yeah. Let me fix my thing here. Whoa, scared the shit out of me. What happened there? Okay, keep going. Keep going. Not gonna complain, even though it's on sim. I love to see it working out. Perfect. Let's go. Let's get a little bit more. Let's maybe wipe out 80% of the red that I had. I'll be happy with that. Let's adjust the volume. That's a little loud for a trailing stop. What I am going to do, though, is if we do have a retrace and then a continuation, I'll add a one lot for the continuation. That could really explode profits. Good way to practice, just like I told my son, practice with a one lot. Get your feet wet. He doesn't have to get used to holding. I do, but he has to get used to seeing that this has a lot of potential. You are going to catch moves. There is no way that it's going to flip-flop on both sides of the bands like it does with VWAP. And even if it does, not only does it have to get onto the other side of the band, but then it has to give you a setup. So if it's flip-flopping, most likely it won't even give you a setup. It'll just flip-flop. It'll go above the band, below the band, above the band, below the band. You're not going to go above the band and get a setup and then flip-flop. And then get a setup and then flip-flop. You know what? Close. I don't want to take my stop. Let it come back. I'm still ready to add to this trade because we're below the bands. They say add to your winners. This is the smartest way to add to your winners that I can figure. Let's get a trade to trigger. And since I'm in profit, that'll be adding to my winner. Maybe not a two lot. It'll drag my average price down too much. But a one lot's good. One lot works. Is my mic even on? Yeah, it is. I didn't do a sound test. I guess you guys hear me. There we go. There, it's adding to the winner. Get rid of the stop because it's in the wrong place. Muted. We hear you. Thanks, Ruan. Don't let yes. Pull my leg like that. Thank you for clearing it up. Way to go, Ruan. Well, I tried to cover the one lot, didn't work, but we're getting another setup. Let's add again. This could be a little sideways bounce. That's what they look like. And then we can break. I'm noticing now we're right at the, this right here is at the initial balance low. I forgot what SMH means. Let's go. Let's add. Fill me. Fill me. SMH. It's still very loud. Why is it coming across so loud? I have no idea how loud you guys are hearing it. Hey, Joker, check it out. Trading responsibly. Not only did I cover my loss, I'm going to buy it all back. Where's Sim 101? Plus 57. Trading responsible numbers. I tell you guys, there should be no looking back anymore for me, really. I think I've proven it to myself without a doubt. This is the way to trade. All the other stuff is nonsense. This just works golden. Okay, in 11 and 8 minutes, I'm quitting. I forgot what I need to do. Oh yeah, I have to contact MFFU and tell them to give me an account. You know what? I guarantee you. Okay, I can't guarantee you. I say with 90% probability, they're going to tell me, nope. We reanimated your account because we made the change, and it's going to stay like that. Too bad for you. And I'm going to tell them, okay, perfect. I'm going to make a video about that once every 3 weeks for the rest of my life. And I'm going to tell Patrick Wieland. I'm going to lie and say I use this code. I use this code, even though we just got it and I had this account for I don't know when. No, I don't think they will. You know what it is? I think that if you get a guy who's competent in tech support, I think they will. Problem is, you get people who are, you know, in my opinion, I'm thinking, I don't know, I haven't seen inside, but my experience with tech support, most of the time, these guys really don't know what they're talking about. They don't know what company they're working for. They don't know the policies. They're like all lost. They just spit out these canned answers. Competent tech support is very hard to come by. I'm going to tell them. Don't worry. I'm going to tell them I know you. Have no fear. Okay, guys, it's really, I'm not going to take anything. I'm not going to do anything anymore. There's no point in me sticking around. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe and the like button. Make sure you do that. And I think that's it. I'm done. I'm done for today. Thanks for showing up. Maybe I'll stream tonight. You know, we're leaving for up north early. We're just walking around, can have a bite to eat. So maybe I'll stream tonight. If not, I'll be back. You're welcome, everyone. It was fun. We had a good time. I had good numbers. I'm happy. Everything. Look at that. Everything green. Even my Sim 101 that was red. Green. Beautiful day. So I'm going to walk around with a smile on my face. And if not, I'll be here tomorrow morning, 9:15 or earlier. Take care, guys. Have a good day. You know what, Ruan? Good idea. I'm taking a break. I'm not streaming tonight. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Take care. Bye.
Not this again. Tried to size down Trump again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, outs lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Future's floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Future's floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no link and no click, just straight freestyling. Like come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click. Watch me grow, futures flow, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control, let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He in my OF like it's satisfact, and now I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.